Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Quick little video, we're gonna do a cold start on my 2016 BMW M5. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up.
I love this car, I'll tell you.
It sounds so throaty, perfect. We're gonna let it warm up first, and then we'll do a quick few revs as well to close out this video. Quick little cold start and a sound clip for you guys. That was just revving at just 2,500. Competition mufflers, 2 thumbs up. Sound great, and everything else, of course, is stock on the car. So I can't imagine having the downpipes on the car where it's gonna make this sound even better. Looking forward to that, of course, DIY on that process, and before and after comparisons, tune, and intake, a few other different things, charge pipes, stuff like that. So looking forward to the mods that come on the M5. So it's definitely gonna be a really fun ride. All right guys, big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other BMW videos I have, on the E90 and 54, 335i market. Plenty of good DIYs out there and plenty of good informational videos for you guys for the BMW side. All right, hope you have a great start to your week, and I'll see you next time. Take care.